Creative ways to make your home feel wide and bright. Dear friends, if you feel that the walls of your house are closing in on you, then it is about time you start thinking of redoing the house. It is not always possible to break down walls and add an extension to your home. It is a costly and time-consuming affair. If you want to make your home feel brighter and more spacious, then you have reached the right place. Here we share a few smart hacks to make your house look bigger and better. 1. Try multi-purpose coffee tables. Avoid squeezing over seating in the room. Adding large sofas can make your room look smaller. Instead, you can use compact coffee tables. These coffee tables are handy, stylish and can be rearranged easily. 2. Hang a mirror. A mirror is the easiest thing to use to make a space look wider and larger. It not only creates a visual illusion, it also reflects more light in the room. You should frame the mirror and match it with the decor in the room. 3. Replace doors with glass. A door closes one room from another. That is precisely the purpose, but you can think of replacing a wooden door with glass. Glass doors help create depth in a room. You can also replace the shelves with glass, which can help you to organize things. 4. Place furniture outwards. Instead of placing all your furniture closer to the walls, you can pull it forward. 5. Add a Shays Lounge or floating cabinetry. There are many luxury apartments, which have open floor plans. You can add an L-shaped sofa to separate the living area and the dining area. A wall-mounted console can also help give the room a floating effect. 6. Keep the colors light. The darker shade of colors makes the rooms look small. To make a room look spacious, you can use whites and much lighter shades. Monochromatic tones can make a room look large. 7. Use oversized art. Instead of having smaller paintings, you can have one larger-than-life painting on the wall. Try and hang it at eye level. It makes the room appear larger. Art provides a chic feel to luxury homes. 8. Introduce vertical playing spaces. Vertical activity stations for painting or puzzles are one good way to keep the kids' space cleaner and also make the room look big. 9. Use foldable furniture. Foldable furniture helps save more space in the room when the furniture is not in use. This enables you to use the temporary area. 10. Pocket doors. Instead of a standard door, a pocket door slides along a track. This takes up less floor space. This also causes less obstruction as the doors open outwardly. Avoid the hassle of breaking down the walls and use these hacks instead. Finding a luxury house is no more difficult. There is no such thing as a space crunch if you use the above tips to make your home look larger. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.